Now we present the next prestigious award, Bharat Asmita Janajagran Sreshtha Award. We are happy to honor and present this award to Honorable Shri Ashutosh Gowarikar ji for best use of media, art and direction for social awakening. We'll have a small audio visual introducing Ashutosh Gowarikar ji.
श्री आशुतोष गोवारिकर की फिल्मों द्वारा स्पष्ट रूप से प्रतीत होता है आपका आवेग, विषय के प्रति आपकी उत्कटता, तह तक पहुंचता आपका संशोधन तथा उसे पर्दे पर प्रस्तुत करने की आपकी स्पष्टता। दर्शकों की संवेदनशीलता तथा बुद्धिमत्ता को ठेस पहुंचाए बिना उनको फिल्म के प्रति लगाव उत्पन्न हो, यही हमेशा आपकी कोशिश रहती है। आपने बतौर एक अभिनेता अपने व्यावसायिक जीवन की शुरुआत की। अनेक फिल्मों तथा टीवी मालिकाओं में अभिनय करने के उपरांत आपके अंदर छिपे हुए सृजनशील निर्देशक ने आपको फिल्म निर्देशन की ओर अग्रसर किया और आपने अपनी पहली फिल्म बनाई, पहला नशा। आपकी पहल हमेशा एक अनोखे विषय पर फिल्म बनाने की होती है। इसी पहल से प्रेरित होकर आपने फिल्म लगान की कथा लिखी।
I am very easily attracted to themes which are about people coming together to fight a common cause.
4 साल तक इसके निर्माण पूर्व कार्य में आप जुटे रहे। सन 2001 में प्रदर्शित हुई फिल्म लगान ने न केवल अपने देश में लोकप्रियता हासिल की, बल्कि विदेशों में भी उसे सराहा गया।
Box office I never like to predict. Neither do I like to express my desires about it. I would say I'm looking forward to appreciation, that people should accept the film.
आपकी फिल्मों को अनेक पुरस्कारों से सम्मानित किया गया है। आपकी फिल्मों द्वारा आपने अच्छे मनोरंजन के साथ ही समाज को एक नया संदेश, एक नई सीख देने का प्रयास किया है।
I feel it's important that more movies get made of different time zones. So it's important.
श्री आशुतोष गोवारिकर जन जागरण के लिए मनोरंजक तथा उद्बोधक फिल्मों का उपयोग करने के आपके कार्य का सम्मान करते हुए हम आपको भारत अस्मिता जन जागरण श्रेष्ठ पुरस्कार, आनंद तथा
To witness this occasion, we have amongst us Shri Ashok Gowarikar and Kishori Gowarikar, parents of Shri Ashutosh Gowarikar. Ma'am, sir, we welcome you to this function. Please have a big round of applause for them.
Citation of honor. Presenting Bharat Asmita Jan Jagran Shrestha Award to Shri Ashutosh Gowarikar. Sir, what stands out clearly from your passion, the intensity with which you are treat the subjects, the depth of research and the clarity of presenting it on celluloid. You are a filmmaker who likes your viewers to develop a fondness for your films without hurting their sensitiveness and intelligence. MIT Group of Institutions Pune takes great pleasure in recognizing your work as a high-quality filmmaker and is honored in conferring the Bharat Asmita Jan Jagran Shrestha Award on you today, 3rd February, in the august hand of eminent economist Dr. Vijay Kelkar.
Now I request Ashutosh ji to please share his thoughts.
All the distinguished dignitaries on stage, it's a special moment just to be sharing the stage with all of you all the fellow awardees also. It's a huge, huge honor. I accept this award with great humility. It's overwhelming to get an award from an institution which stands for so much nation building. I'd like to say a big thank you to my parents who are here with me today. And I must also add that some family members have also come. Dr. Shankar Gowarikar is here. Mr. S.B. Kulkarni is here, who was a collector. Mrs. Kulkarni is also here. At this point, I want to say, मला नेहमी एक प्रश्न विचारला जातो की तुम्ही मुंबईत बसून बांद्र्यामध्ये राहता, तुम्ही मुंबईत बसून स्वदेश किंवा लगान किंवा हे सगळे चित्रपट तुम्ही कसे काय बनवलेत? तर माझं उत्तर फक्त एकच असतं, या अवॉर्डचं जे टायटल आहे ते जनजागरण अवॉर्ड आहे. आणि जनजागरण म्हणजे जनतेला जागरूक करणं. जनतेला तुम्ही तेव्हाच जागरूक करू शकता जेव्हा तुम्ही स्वतः जनतेला ओळखू शकाल. सो फॉर मी बहुत अहम बात यह थी कि मैं देश भर घूमूं, खोज करूं कि अपना देश क्या है, what are our different states, what are their districts, what are the people, what is their culture. लगानच्या आणि स्वदेशच्या प्रिपरेशनसाठी मी देशभर हिंडलो आणि तेव्हा मला एक इंट्रोडक्शन मिळालं की आपल्या देशाचे काय प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत किंवा आपल्या देशाच्या काय खूबी आहेत, काय अशा गोष्टी आहेत ज्या मी सिनेमामध्ये एकत्रित करून लोकांसाठी सादर करू शकेन. त्यामुळे फॉर मी द बिगेस्ट थिंग हॅज बीन गोइंग इन टू द कंट्री, सीइंग द कंट्री. अँड टू, टेक्नॉलॉजी हा एक खूप अवघड शब्द आहे असं सगळ्यांना एक समज आहे. तुम्ही जर का गावोगावी हिंडलात तर इट इनकल्केट्स अ सेन्स ऑफ फिअर की अरे बाबा टेक्नॉलॉजी ही टेक्निकल गोष्ट आहे बाबा, आपल्याला ही समजणार नाही किंवा आपल्याला समजून घ्यायची वेळ पण नाही आहे. हे बघितल्यावर मी स्वदेशमध्ये जे वीज निर्मितीकरण जे आहे ते मी डिटेलमध्ये दाखवलं. हे दाखवण्यासाठी की किती सिंपल प्रकारे, किती जर का दाखवलं गेलं तर हाऊ अ विलेज कॅन ऑन इट्स ओन क्रिएट इट्स ओन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. So that was what I learned most in my travel. And hence, this award becomes especially important because it comes from an organization, the MIT Institute, which has both technology as well as governance. And I would say that, thank you so much, the faculty, the jury, Vishwanath ji, Rahul, for bestowing this honor, and this instills in me a new sense of search. The search goes on. I'll try and bring more and more socially relevant themes in my movies. And for now, just for me to know that you all are with me, let me just hear Vande Mataram. Thank you.
In continuing with the Bharat Asmita National Awards, we present the next Revered Award, Honorable Padma Vibhushan, Dr. Mallika Sarabhai. Bharat Asmita Janajagran Shrestha Award 2011 for your uncomparable contribution to art and using art as a media for social awakening. Let us have an audio visual, please.
डॉक्टर मल्लिका साराभाई, नृत्यांगना, अभिनेत्री, नृत्य निर्देशिका, संवेदनशील सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता. आपका वर्णन करने वाले ऐसे कई विशेषण आपके व्यक्तित्व को पूरा न्याय नहीं दे पाते.
I have never really felt the need to describe myself. Let others do that. I just do what I have to do and I am who I am and I be who I am.
देश की एक महान नृत्यांगना श्रीमती मृणालिनी साराभाई तथा विख्यात अंतराल वैज्ञानिक स्वर्गीय डॉक्टर विक्रम साराभाई की आप सुकन्या है. गुजरात विश्वविद्यालय से ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल बिहेवियर विषय में आपने पीएचडी प्राप्त की है तथा आईआईएम अहमदाबाद से एमबीए। भरतनाट्यम तथा कुचिपुड़ी नृत्य शैली में आप विशेष महारत रखती हैं। बतौर अभिनेत्री आपने अनेक हिंदी तथा गुजराती फिल्मों में काम किया है। शास्त्रीय नृत्य शैली से हटकर भी आपने कई नृत्य प्रकारों का आविष्कार किया है। अहमदाबाद स्थित दर्पण नृत्य अकादमी का कार्यभार भी आप संभालती हैं। आप एक संवेदनशील सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता हैं, जिन्होंने अपने अभिनय तथा नृत्य सामर्थ्य का उपयोग सामाजिक हिंसा, लिंग भेद, पर्यावरण, एचआईवी एड्स जैसे ज्वलंत सामाजिक प्रश्नों पर जागृति करने के लिए किया है।
Money success doesn't inspire me. People who do things for humanity, people who are humane, inspire me greatly.
इसके लिए आपको पद्म भूषण तथा कई राष्ट्रीय अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कारों से सम्मानित किया गया है। नृत्य तथा अभिनय जैसे कलाओं का सामाजिक चेतना तथा जन जागृति के लिए उपयोग करने वाली डॉक्टर मल्लिका साराभाई आपको भारत अस्मिता जन जागरण श्रेष्ठ पुरस्कार प्रदान करते हुए हम विशेष आनंद तथा कृतज्ञता महसूस करते हैं।
पद्म विभूषण डॉक्टर मल्लिका साराभाई, भारत अस्मिता जन जागरण श्रेष्ठ अवार्ड, citation of honor. Madam, your evocative, expressive performances of Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi demonstrate not just the fineness and grace of the dance, but also the energy of the performer herself. There are many other facets to your personality besides dancing. You're arena accomplished actor, filmmaker, choreographer, writer, publisher, social activist who has been highly sensitive to multitude of issues that affect the society. It has been your endeavor to use fine art forms, dance and acting. Myers MIT Group of Institutions, Pune, consider it major great pride in conferring Bharat Asmita Jana Jagran Shrestha Award on you today, 3rd February 2011. Ma'am, I request you to share your thoughts with us.
Distinguished guests, fellow awardees and friends, I was brought up in a family where integrity and commitment to social change came first. I was sharing with somebody earlier that when I was about 15 years old, and my father was already the head of both atomic energy and space research, and when Shri Seshan worked with Papa very closely, I once saw him deeply distressed, and I asked him what the matter was. And he said to me that a government of a Western country had just offered him a bribe of $2 million to sign a nuclear program with that country. And his anguish was that somebody thought that he could be bribed. We are always hearing that India is about to be a superpower. India is a country of the youth. India has that potential, but we have lost our soul. When Sri Karat talks of Swami Vivekananda, Swami Vivekananda believed that India could lead with ethics, with truth, with not ritual, but with a spirituality that is our birthright. But it is a birthright that we need to nurture. It does not come to us by building more and more temples and creating yagnas where hundreds of thousands of liters of milk and ghee are poured into the fire in the name of a God when our brethren are hungry. That is not an India we want. If we want to be the leader of the world, we must lead with integrity and truth, not with degrees, not with industry, not with greed. If this institution stands for governance, it is the governance of our own greed that we must take charge of first. Degrees can be bought, degrees can be had, but a true commitment to this nation, to the poorest and the last person of this nation, is what Asmita is. That is where we are lost. We can shout from the rooftops, we can say Bharat Mahan, and in our hearts we know that we are not Mahan because we are lost. We have the possibility, each one of us together, shoulder to shoulder, to lead to a new light, to lead to a new century where people lost across the world can understand what being a human and humane being is. That is where we must lead. Tagore said, where the mind is without fear and where the head is held high. He wrote this in 1935 and we are no closer to it. We can be there. It is in your hands as much as in ours. So if I accept this award, I accept it in the hope that together we can go where humanity can hold its head high, because we are not exploiting anybody, because we are not stepping over anybody, because we are not rooking anybody, stamping on anybody, stamping on nature, and we can really become the Asmita of the world, of a humane world, of a illumined world. Thank you for giving me this award, and let us go towards that India together. Thank you.
What a thought-provoking discourse. Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am. Now we present you the next award, Bharat Asmita Janajagran Sreshtha Award, Best Use of Media for Culmination and National Awakening Linking. We present this award to Honorable Shri Gurucharan Das, author, commentator, intellect.